If you want to browse faster, stay organized, and get the most out of Google Chrome, here's how to use it like a pro. First of all, make sure your Chrome browser is updated to the latest version for all the newest features and security improvements. Start by using keyboard shortcuts to speed up your browsing. For an instance, Ctrl plus T to open a new tab, Ctrl plus W to close a tab, and Ctrl plus Shift plus T to reopen a closed tab. Next, organize your browsing with bookmarks. Tap on the star icon in the address bar to save pages and use the bookmarks bar to quickly access your favorite sites. You can also use Chrome extensions to improve productivity. Visit the Chrome Web Store and add extensions like ad blockers, password managers, or note taking tools. Take advantage of tab management features. Drag tabs to rearrange them, group tabs by topic, or pin frequently used tabs for easy access. For privacy, use incognito mode by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N. This won't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data. And that's how you can browse smarter and faster using Google Chrome like a pro. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.